even know this is working. Whoa! And it like turned from green to like a really fucked up orangey color. I don't know. This is weird for me right now. I just got a Mac. I'm talking to you on a Mac. It's Mac in my lap. 'Cause I have a Mac. And my gauges are size 0 now. But my awesome job let me get a Mac. A Mac. And I'm so stupid because I got it and I'm like, oh my god, I'm gonna do my homework on this and I'm gonna do so much stuff on this, it's gonna be awesome. And then nobody told me that Macs don't come with Photoshop and all the speeds. So I was gonna buy them. But me, with my luck, I have a kid in one of my classes who has the CS5 suite and he's gonna give it to me for free ski. I was like, hey, how much do I have to pay you? And he was like, it's free. I was like, free? I'm like, why is it free? He's like, because you need it, so why wouldn't I give it to you? I'm like, oh, you're cool. And I told the professor, I was like, you should give him an A in his class because he's so fucking awesome. New tattoo. Wait, this way? Oh no, a new tattoo on my arm. Oh, a new tattoo. Wait, I can't really show you because it goes the other way. Oh no. Ooh. That's so awkward. Like, you have to go like this. Fucking genius. There. There. It says live. Live! So whenever I do anything, I'm like, I need to live! Live! Yeah. I got really close. I'm sick right now. I got a roll of toilet paper just sitting here waiting for me to use it. And I got a lot of booger tissues waiting for me to just not throw them away. But yeah, I got a Mac. So expect some videos from me and stuff. And oh my god, I have a Mac. This is ridiculous. This is fucking ridiculous. And yes, I'm still my boyfriend. And yes, Whitney's coming in how many weeks? Like 2 for her birthday. She's coming to New York. And you better believe we have so many videos from so many places. And she's gonna love every minute of it. And I'm gonna love every minute of it. And we're just gonna be awesome. We're just gonna be awesome together. And this video was not informative or anything, but you know what? You can suck my balls if you didn't like it. Because I got a Mac, bitches. I can do anything you can do better because I have a fucking Mac, bitches. MacBook Pro.